So now the small pieces that were not covered properly, just add a little bit of size glue. And then here I fix the eye with just rubbing water. I only have one paintbrush, but now for this job I wish I had a smaller brush so I could just do the outline. And then here a little bit. And then we do the teeth, give them a bit of a shape. And fill up the sides, the side with the size. Not get confused here. Add a little bit here as well. I think this is it. Oh, and that part. I'll have to turn it around. This piece here doesn't look too right. The curve isn't there. Let it dry again for 25 minutes. We like the effect of the copper so much that we decided to also do the headstock. No, what's it called? Oh, so it was right. Okay, just say yes. Thanks.
Bloopers afterwards. Barbara's getting used to the names of the different things.
Okay, so let's start again. 1, 2, 3. Louis likes the effect of the copper leaf so much that we have decided to add some more copper leaf to the guitar. So the headstock, which is apparently the top of the guitar, we will also leaf it. So same scenario, put some of the size, just cover it nice and neatly. I just need to make sure that I'm not adding anything to the size, not to the size, to the side. It becomes a habit with me to have the wrong words. Okay, let's do this whole surface here. This is easier. I don't make it too wet so that it doesn't go on the side. Yes, I got it, this side. This is relaxing. Very relaxing. Don't want to apply too much because if there are too thick streaks, it actually shows through the leaf. The leaf is super, super, super thin. See if everything is covered. And maybe what I'll do is on the side, yeah. So this is take 2. We will start with the second layer to fix the pieces that were not perfect the first time. Easy peasy fix. It's just a 25 minutes wait that is taking a bit of time. So here I made the teeth, finish them a bit better. And on the eye, a little bit of a fix there. So now we finished our design with the copper leaf. We fixed all the little pieces that were not too perfect. We cleaned the eyes, so everything is working here. Here as well we managed to do one layer, and just on the edges was a little bit of the corners that were not covered, so we fixed all of that. So now our copper is fully finished, and we'll use the shellac to just seal the copper. And let's see, it's extremely liquid, it's actually alcohol based. So I'm not too sure how the shellac will interact with the water paint on the body of the guitar, so I will let the copper dry, and then once that is done, then we go on the back and just test a little sample. I don't want to do this in the front of the guitar. I just did a small little piece of the shellac on the back, and there is no interference with the paint. So now we're going to use the big brush and just go for the whole guitar. And it's not 100% transparent, even though we bought the clear one, but it's fine. It will just add a nice glow to the guitar and make it look even richer. And shellac, they say that you need to do a lot of different coats, so this is gonna be a long process.